Next question is from phase 1, stoichiometric redox reaction. Question number 17. The volume of water which should be added to 300 ml of 0.5 molar NaOH solution so as to get a solution of 0.2 molar. So this is actually a dilution concept. This is a dilution concept, because in case of dilution concept, you have to remember one thing. The number of moles of solute is constant. This is the only point you have to remember. Number of moles of solute is constant. If you can remember this, then the question will be very much easier. Yes, see, whatever you are adding a solvent into the solution, you are not adding a solute. So number of moles of solute will be constant. So solvent you keep adding, water you are adding in this case, so water will change, but moles of solute will be constant. So means initial moles of solute will be equals to final moles of solute. And as we know, initial moles of solute will be calculated by molarity. Molarity is equals to moles per unit volume. So number of moles equals to molarity into volume. So can I write initial moles are M1 into V1, final moles are M2 into V2. In case of molarity, if they have given normality, you can use N1 V1 equals to N2 into V2. The number of equivalents are constant. In this case, no, number of moles are constant. Now moving to the question. So M1 V1 means initial molarity into initial volume. Initial molarity of solution is 0.5 molar. 0.5 molar is initial molarity. Initial volume is 300 ml equals to final molarity you have to make is 0.2 molar. You don't know the final volume. So if you calculate the V2 value, so V2 value is 0.5 into 300 divided by 0.2. So 5 3 is 15. 150 divided by 150, or you can divide by 2. It will be around 750 ml. This 750 ml is the volume of solution. Volume of solution. They have asked how much you have added actually. How much you have added. So initial volume is 300 ml. So 750 minus 300 ml will come 450 ml. 750 minus 300 ml, it will come 450 ml of solution. 450 solution, 450 ml of water is added. So answer 450 ml. Options are 550, 350, 750, 450 ml. D will be the correct answer. Okay, thank you.